Can't find where to upgrade in Klaviyo? Follow these exact clicks to reach billing and upgrade your plan in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening billing from your profile, then walk through each upgrade section, and finally continue to payment. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the lower left corner to open up the account menu. Then go to Billing to review your current account details. Once there, hit Change Plan to bring up the upgrade options. Now you'll see a few sections with upgrade choices. Take a moment to review each one. In each section, just select the specific product you want to add to your plan. Next, move to the Email Upgrade section to tweak your email settings. After that, choose a plan for mobile messaging that suits your needs. For this example, go ahead and click on the $55 plan. If you're finished, click Continue to Payment to proceed. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy your upgraded plan. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.